Hey, y'all. It's Kristy, the Toastess with the Mostess. I know it's corny, but I'm gonna stick to it. Anyway, today is all about comfort food. And why are we talking about comfort food? Because it's back to school. I'm a professor. Back to school starts on Monday. I know some of you have kids, or maybe you're a college student and you know this is time of year it gets a little hairy. So I like comfort food. I'd like to say it's fall food, but there is no fall where I am. It's very warm here, but that's kind of cool. So anyway, today we're gonna make a couple of things, but we're gonna focus on right now, zhooshed up cornbread. This is not your mama's cornbread. And I remember my mama, rest in peace, she used to make something called, it was like a cornbread casserole. And she used to call it scalloped corn. And my sister Kathy and I used to call it throw up, because it looked like throw up. And we'd never eat it, we'd never try it, thought it was super gross. Anyway, when I got older, little to my mom's knowledge, I tried the cream corn. It was really good. But we're gonna stick with the zhooshed up cornbread, not your mama's cornbread, because remember, I'm a little spicy. I like things with a kick. So hang on, I'm gonna show you how to make it. All right, so what goes into making the zhooshed up cornbread? It's really simple. Trust me, I wouldn't be making it if it were not simple. So here you've got the staple, the Jiffy box that used to cost about 33 cents. Now it's probably about $1.33. You start with this, and then you put in some corn, because you want the corn, you want it to taste a little bit like cake. So I'm gonna put some regular corn in here because our corn's gonna be zhooshed up. It's not gonna look like or taste like throw up. I'm gonna put a little milk in there, a little squirt of the sour cream. You're not gonna taste it. Trust me, for those of you who think I'm weird, it's gonna kind of bind it all together. Then we have the zhooshed part. The secret ingredient, we've got the jalapenos. I'm just gonna give it a little spice, gonna make it a little yummy. You don't have to use them if you're not zhooshy like me, but you know what? I'm a spicy lady. And then finally, we are going to top it off with some Mike's hot honey. One of my favorite things. It's really good on pizza, by the way. So we're gonna start, and then finally, because I am celebrating the last Saturday before I go back to class and start teaching my college students my favorite summer drink, watermelon white claw. But that's what I'm gonna toast to you, and let's get started making this stuff. Well, there you have it, zhooshed up cornbread, just in time for back to school, comfort food, and may you all have an amazing school year, whether you're a teacher, a professor, or going back to school yourself. Have an amazing year, and I'm gonna enjoy this zhooshed up cornbread just like I make it, not mama. Amazing. Kristy out, Toastess with the Mostess. See you soon.